Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Hello. So you want to know more about what does iTunes Tuneup do? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about what does iTunes Tuneup do is www.tuneupmedia.com. Specifically the page titled Tuneup, Download Instruction for Windows Fix Mislabeled. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site TechCrunch.com, especially the page review, Tuneup for iTunes TechCrunch. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.chacha.com. The web page What does Tuneup do on iTunes? Cha-cha. Here's the link.